When should you consider a liver cleanse? What simple tools can be used to achieve an easy and useful result? Watch the video until the end to find out when and how to help the main liberatory part of the body. The liver performs a number of functions in the human body. The liver cleans the body, improves blood circulation, synthesizes the necessary substances, produces the necessary bile during digestion. The liver also collects blood elements, hormones, and minerals. Liver is an important organ that does not stop its work both day and night. It always has the ability to coagulate hundreds of liters of blood. Of course, there are cases when the liver has to work at high pressure. This can lead to the accumulation of harmful substances in the hepatocytes that maintain permanent intoxication and reduce the usefulness of the liver. In what situations will this happen? In the following cases, the body should work intensively. Weight gain caused by eating large amounts of food, especially fatty foods, often occurs during holidays. Regularly consumption of alcohol in small quantities or excessive drinking at festive events. Regularly taking some means to reduce cholesterol, sedatives, and antidepressants. Course antibiotics, sulfonamides as drugs during acute and chronic infectious diseases. Poisoning occurs in the body and various toxins circulate in the body. Where it grows, physical activity, heavy lifting, and active physical work can cause a decrease in the liver function. After the liver is working under severe pressure, it is necessary to take measures to clean it, that is, to help the body to restore its activity, to get rid of excess unnecessary substances. How to clean the liver in 3 days at home? There is very simple recipe for cleaning the liver. To prepare an effective remedy, you will need first birch bath. Birch baths have a spasmodic effect on the digestive organs, helps in the performation and release of bile directly from liver cells and eliminates inflammation in the bile ducts. At the same time, it has a positive effect on the coordination and activity of the pancreas, which is damaged as a result of liver dysfunction. Second, dried oats. Oats have a soothing and anti-inflammatory effect. It helps to get rid of bad conditions caused by various toxins, surrounds and protects the mucous membranes of the stomach. It washes the liver cells and removes the remaining toxins from them, has a bile diluting and drying effect. How to prepare medical drink? Put half a cup of unpeeled oats in a thermos, then add a tablespoon of dry birch buds. Pour 1 liter of boiling water and let it rest for 6 hours. After the tincture is ready, it should be filtered. Take 200 ml in the evening and in the morning 2 hours before breakfast for 3 days. This course significantly improves the general condition, helps to restore the liver after high pressure work, and we know that the liver quickly recovers and renews itself. It's only necessary to help the liver in time. In this way, cleaning of the liver can be done several times a year. Therapy, facilitating the functioning of the body, cleansing the body of toxic substances, and increasing the activity of all organs and systems. This tool cannot be used only by people with allergies or hypersensitively. Affordable and useful tool.